Up on the roof, it's peaceful as can be, unless you need to get it replaced. And let's just admit it, you're hoping for a hailstorm so insurance will cover it. So let's talk about filing a roof claim and avoid hitting the ceiling. The standard home policy has replacement cost coverage for your roof. That means the policy pays, minus the deductible, what it costs to replace your roof. But as insurers have had to replace more and more roofs, they've started tightening up on those coverages. We're now seeing more actual cash value coverages that deduct for wear and tear. So, before you buy an insurance policy, make sure you discuss roof coverages. It can make a big difference in your insurance payment. For example, let's say it costs $20,000 to replace your 10-year-old roof after hail damage, and your home policy has a $3,000 deductible. A policy with replacement cost will pay $17,000. That's the $20,000 minus the $3,000 deductible. A policy with actual cash value coverage will take into account the age of your roof. This is usually done with a depreciation schedule. For instance, if the value of your roof had depreciated by half after 10 years, this policy would pay $7,000. That's the $20,000 cost cut in half, so $10,000 minus the $3,000 deductible. If you do have replacement cost coverage, you'll probably get the payment in 2 checks. One after your insurance company agrees to pay for the damage, and the second after you replace your roof. Now you need a roofer. Trust me, you want to take your time to find a roofer before you sign the contract. Ask for recommendations. Post something on the neighborhood app. Give the neighbor down the road, Mrs. Kravitz, something to write about other than that annoying cat. Here are some red flags you should watch out for. I think you're looking at about $20,000. Danger, Will Robinson. Make sure you get estimates in writing and on company letterhead. And use a local company, unless warranties aren't that important to you. And we'll waive your deductible. Sounds too good to be true? Your insurance policy requires you to pay a deductible. The roofer may be asking you to submit false information to an insurance company, and that is insurance fraud. And we can start as soon as we get your payment. Red light, do not pay the full price up front. The final payment should come after the job is done. Replacing your roof is not a fun project, but don't neglect it. Think about everything in your home the roof is protecting. And remember, your insurance agent can be a good resource about costs, the process, and local contractors. Or you can call our consumer helpline at this number, especially if anything I said went over your head.